We're about to watch a video that is very different from any other video we've ever shot. Today, we're watching a video of us delivering a 6-seater dining table all the way in Westmoreland. And we're setting up the table as a gift to the lady. Well, a beautiful older lady. Basically, her son sent it to her. This guy moved from Connecticut to Hawaii and he purchased this dining table for his mom, and she lived all the way in Boondock, Westmoreland. Now, we decided, aside from doing the delivery, we are going to do a setup as a gift to her. So, consider this public service just for this customer. Maybe you're that lucky. Let's see how lucky you are. We're not charging for this, by the way. We're not charging. So, we're about to hit the toll plaza. And why the toll have to be so expensive though? God he knows. But we're on the way to West, going through Alan Bamber right here, as you can see. We're on the way to surprise our customer. We told him that we'd set up a table. In a conversation we had some time ago. Because he's such a nice guy, and he told us that he's sending it to his old lady. So we arrive at the house, and here's the table in the back of the Benz truck. Yeah, Benzman is the original delivery guy for us. When I saw this step, I was like, ooh, God, I don't know how I'm going to manage. Stairway to heaven, right? Oh, yeah, so that's Benzman. That is my second in command. He's our in-house delivery guy. He drives the yellow Benz truck, and anywhere we want to go in the world. Once the Benz truck can go, he will go. So all major deliveries is the one that handles that. The one good thing is we have a nice big empty space to set up this table. Oh, that's a customer right there. You know, just get a quick shot of her. So we're going to take the table, flip it over, just so we can see the underbelly of it. We're trying to figure out how to open up the leaf. Well, it's the first time I'm actually opening up a table with leaf. Please don't laugh at me. I really don't know nothing at all about this. So here we are, guys. We are in Springfield, Westmoreland. We're about to do Sheffield or Springfield?
They told them they don't matter.
Okay.
It's the Sheffield Post Office.
Sheffield Post Office, but it's Springfield
District.
Right, Springfield District. So I'm right. And we're about to do installation of a table. But it's beautiful lady. How are you?
I'm good.
You're good. Good stuff. Nearly lost about 5 times, but we're here. I'm enjoying it. Watch. So when I spoke to this customer, he had recently moved from Connecticut all the way to Hawaii. And he stayed in Hawaii. Ordered table from his favorite supplier online and sent it to us. We brought it to Jamaica. Clear custom in his living room right now, setting it up. He could not have asked for better. So my fellow Jamaicans, anywhere you are in the world, remember, you can use our service to get anything you want delivered to your friends, family, and loved ones anywhere on the island. So that's me putting on the table for Benzman and I, of course, making it real tight just so that you don't need to give us a call again to come back and finish it up. All right, so it doesn't show how we're supposed to take out this, you know. Only thing it shows is to open the table and slide the table open. So I guess it comes through that side. So we're going to open and slide it just the same. Oh, and it just right. And you just fold it open. All right, so bam, 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 bam. You know what? Let's push it back in, turn over the table, and then do it again. Come on, Diamond. Come on, ready? Right. Then the other one. Right.
Ease up that. Ease up.
Got that bad. Yeah. So for all you women out there who do installations, watch me scan through the instructions. You know, man, go with man and them instructions. We just glaze over it and get it done. We figure it out. Okay, that's another song. Watch me, I'm gonna let me know how to do it. Pretty much the same thing, just tightening. So if it's the first package that you're shipping, you don't need to necessarily ship a dining room table. You can start by shipping a very small package, a quick £5 package. Use the coupon that you see on screen right now, and that will offset the shipping costs for that package once it's within £5.
Yeah.
Yes, I want to get cash water.
That's what I feel.
That's what somebody said.
Yeah. Mommy's getting involved in the whole installation. She wants to talk about water shortage in Kingston. That's why she come all the way down in country. You know what? There's no installation complete without a good conversation, building good relations with the customer. And we get a little bit of politics, a little bit of religion. You know how that goes already. Keep it nice and spicy. You come and try it first. You come and try it first.
Suppose it break.
No. I don't think you can break it. Yes. All right. How it feel now? Good? All right. Good stuff.
Yeah.
Run away now. Run away. Watch mommy going like she could have break that little chair there. No, we have it all figured out. I think we know how to do it. So we're opening up some of the accessories now so we can really get going. Full speed ahead, turbo just shipping. We need to get the 6 chairs done as fast as possible.
It's the hottest parish.
Mommy providing the fun because even though we're in the hills, it's hot.
Yeah. We're going to forward just keep everything.
Everything them take on gateway.
Yeah.
They put the one in my power.
Yeah.
Then rotten rich. I want to be there.
Little politics have to get thrown in. You know it go. I guess we are people of a lot of thoughts. Soon finish. Finishing up the 6 pieces as fast as possible. If you're watching till the end and you have not gone ahead and create a shipping account, this is the best time to do it. Go to the URL on screen, create a shipping account, try us, use the coupon that we've posted. And I'm sure you'll enjoy it. No, this is why Mama come all the way to country come live with. She can't take the chopper place. Me. I like the space though. I really like her space.
When are the morning?
And Benzman is an original countryman. You know. Benzman is not only a truck driver, he's also a farmer. Alright, you say gotcha. You say gotcha.
It's when we looking at the bag, how much we did put down.
Yeah.
Then there was one out of the bag thing.
I eat it.
I'm gone.
I'm gone with the gone cleaning family.
Yes.
Carry that home.
You say, yeah, man.
I guess all of them, I look for.
But just like the rest, so when we come back, we put down more.
Yes.
These are yours? Nice. So we're finally done handing over the Allen keys and stuff. Manual to mommy. Not like we did use the manual anyway, you know. But yeah, I'm sure she really appreciates it because, you know, this is a gift to her. We generally don't go ahead and do stuff like this, but yeah, sometimes we really have to go outside of the box and be ourselves, be giving people. So check out the project. Table, chairs, all finished, installed. By the way, this is the first time I've encountered a leaf table. As in to set up the workings of it. I did not know.
Yeah, they're okay. Yeah.
All right, good. I love the service.
I like the service. Yeah, perfect.
Good stuff. Must recommend all your neighbors and friends. All right.
Oh, yeah.
We'll take care of you guys. Looking forward to it.
Yeah.
All right.
And you're nice people.
We try to be nice, you know.
Yeah.
And now you see why we love this lady. She thinks we're nice. And that is it, guys. We did a successful delivery and installation of a 6-seater table all the way Westmoreland. No matter where you are in Jamaica, we'll take care of you. We got you. Sign up for a free shipping account today.